All right, so I just spent about the last hour and a half setting up my custom agents in Notion to take the intake form and build out session plans and a full session database. So let's give it a first pass. So the first thing that a user will do is they'll click the book a lunch and they'll book a time. I'm not going to go through that flow right now, but once they do that, they'll get an email from me to fill out uh, this form. I've gone ahead and put in dummy information for now, so I'll go ahead and click submit. And I've also included a dummy calendar invite for this time. So what Notion is going to do now is it took that form. It now has all the information in the form. It's going to find the calendar invite or event. It's then going to create a session, which it'll show up here fairly soon in the sessions database. And it'll link and relate back to the intake form. And here it is, John Smith. It's found the calendar event right here. And now it's actually going to be looking at restaurants, looking for restaurants. While that's doing that, I'm going to run this agent. It found a restaurant that is suitable for what we're going to be doing in the neighborhood that the user chose. So if I refresh this, and there we go, in the calendar event, the location in the restaurant is now included there. So it went and did that all autonomously. I haven't touched anything yet. And now what it's doing is I have a second agent that is reading through the full intake form from the user and understanding what pain points they have, what tools they already use, what their AI level is, and it's building out a session plan for me to go into each session knowing what we're going to build, what their goals are, immediately kind of what I need to install right away on their computer. So this is processing now. It built a whole kind of task list of what it needs to accomplish, and it has now finished the session plan. So if I open this up, I now have at the top the properties, who the intake response form here, which is related to this session, the calendar, where we're meeting, the session status is prepped. I can scroll down and I can see a full session plan on what we're going to be doing. So what I need to install on their laptop: Cloud Code, Google Workspace for Cloud Desktop. Since this dummy data I basically made it like a super novice at AI, we're just doing the basics here. And then it basically gives me a plan on what we should build given their responses to the form. I have a full pre-session checklist ready to go here for me to be ready. So I think that's at a pretty good spot for right now. I'm going to build out another agent that does like post-session follow-ups and things like that. But this is good for now, and I think we'll move on to the next thing.